Bonjour à tous, and today we are going to see about the lesson La Question Objective Part 2. So, what was our previous content is choisissez la meilleure réponse, choose the best answer, and the second, dit array of four, that is true or false, and third one is mettez le dialogue en ordre, that is make the dialogue in the correct order. And today we are going to see about the répondre des questions, that is answer the following, which is based on your two dialogues, and corriger les faux, correct the mistakes, and next choisissez la meilleure réponse, grammar, choose the best answer, which is based on your lesson grammar. So move to the content, that is first content, répondre des questions suivant, that is answer the following. First one, Divya, où habite-t-elle? So with Divya, where does she live? So she lives in Paris. So what is the subject? Elle, and habite, that's a verb, that is habiter, verb to live. So elle habite à Paris. So she lives in Paris. And next, est-ce que c'est la première visite de Divya à Nantes? Is this the first visit Divya to India? Yes. So as in French, what? Oui, c'est sa première visite à Nantes. So this definite article, you have to change the adjective possessive, that is sa means what? Her. So oui, c'est sa première visite à Nantes. Yes, it's her first visit to India. And third one, Aditya parle-t-il français? So Aditya, does he speak French? Yes, he speak a little bit only. So the answer is what? Oui, il parle un peu français. So un peu means what? Little. And next one, Divya, elle est origine d'où? So Divya, where does she origin? Origin means what? That is native place. So elle est de Pondicherry. So she is in Pondicherry only. And fifth one is, est-ce que Divya a visit autrefois Pondicherry? So is Divya visit already Pondicherry? No. This is her first visit to Pondicherry. So the answer is what? No. C'est sa première visite à Pondicherry. Instead of Divya, you can use the adjective possessive sa. It means her. Okay. So no, c'est sa première visite à Pondicherry. So it's a first visit to Pondicherry. And sixth one is, qui sont Vivek et Kumar? So who are Vivek and Kumar? So Vivek and Kumar are childhood friends, right? So the answer is what? Vivek et Kumar sont des amis d'enfance. So childhood friend means what? Amis d'enfance. So they are childhood friend. And seventh one, quelle est la capitale de la France? So what is the capital of France? Obviously the answer is what? Paris. Paris means what? Paris. So Paris est la capitale de la France. And eighth one, qui est Viveka? So who is Vivek? Vivek is Divya's cousin, right? So that the answer is what? Vivek est le cousin de Divya. And ninth one is, est-ce que Divya connaît Aditya? So is Divya knows Aditya? No. So you can use the negative answer for this question. No, Divya, and no, it's a negative one word, and connaît, it's a verb to know, and pa, it's a negative word. So Divya ne connaît pas Aditya. And 10th one, qui est Leonardo da Vinci? So who is Leonardo da Vinci? So this picture refers to this name only, that is Leonardo da Vinci. Il est un peintre italien. So he is an Italian painter. So he is a Leonardo da Vinci. And the 11th one, qui est Anandaranga Pillai? So he is Anandaranga Pillai. And who is he? C'est un courtier de la campagne française des Ondes de Pondicherry. So he is a broker of French company in India to Pondicherry. And next, qui est Roman Roland? So he is a Roman Roland, and he is a famous writer in France. So il est un écrivain célèbre de France. Célèbre means what? Famous. Écrivain, it's a writer. So il est un écrivain célèbre de France. So he is a famous writer in France. And 13th one, Est-ce que Divya est Indian? Is Divya is Indian? No, she is a French only. So the answer is no, elle est française. So she is a French only. So you have 13 question answer in your first lesson. So let us move to the next content, that is corriger les faux, correct the mistakes. So when you are doing this exercise, you have to find the mistakes first, then only correct the sentence. First one is elle parle français. So in this sentence, the mistake is what? A nationality. This nationality is used for the masculine singular, but the sentence starts with what? Feminine singular. For the feminine singular nationality, you have to add e. So the answer is what? Elle parle français. So français is used for the feminine nationality only. And next, tu travailles au banque. So you are working in the bank. Here the mistake is what? Article contracté, that is contracted article. So o, it is used for the masculine gender, but here the noun it's what? Feminine. For that you can use à la. So tu travailles à la banque. So you are working in the bank. And third one, je suis photographe. Here the mistake is what? Photograph, spelling is wrong, so that you can add e. So the answer is what? Je suis photographer. So I am a photographer. And fourth one is elle est anglais. So here the nationality used for a masculine, but the sentence starts with what? Feminine. For that feminine you can add e. So the answer is elle est anglais, anglaise. So she is English. And next, you are Andean. So here the mistake is what? Avoir verb conjugation. Avoir verb conjugation, it is used for asking age and all. So here you can use adverb conjugation. Why? Because are you Indian? So are you in the translation of this thing only, that is adverb conjugation. So QA Andean. So you have to use adverb conjugation over here. And sixth one, elle Canadian. Sorry, il est Canadian. Here the nationality is for a feminine only, but the subject is wrong. So you have to change the subject. Elle est Canadian. So she is a Canadian. And move to the seventh one. Bien, je te présente Divya mon cousin. So here the mistake is what? Mon, because cousin it's a feminine noun. For the feminine noun, adjective possessive is what? Ma. So the answer is bien, je te présente Divya ma cousin. So well, I'll introduce Divya my cousin. And eighth one, Divya c'est Kumar win ami d'enfance. So here the mistake is what? Indefinite article, because ami d'enfance it's a masculine noun. For the masculine noun indefinite article you can use an. So the answer is what? Divya c'est Kumar un ami d'enfance. So here you have to change the indefinite article. So Divya, this is Kumar, my childhood friend. And ninth one, c'est votre première visite on the. Here you have to change the preposition. See, instead of a you have to use a only. So c'est votre première visite on the. So this is your first visit in India. And 10th one, c'est ma première visit. Here the mistake is what? Adjective possessive. So première it's a feminine noun. For that you can use adjective possessive is what? Ma. So c'est ma première visite. So possessive adjective feminine noun you have to change. And 11th one, est alors bon séjour en Inde et bon soirée. So here the mistake is what? Bon adjective mistake, because soirée it's a feminine noun. For that feminine adjective it's what? BONNE. So the answer, est alors bon séjour en Inde et bon soirée. So good stay in India and have a nice evening. And 12th one, bonjour madame, on se connaît. Here the mistake is madame spelling, so you have to add at the end of the madame. So bonjour madame, on se connaît. So good morning ma'am, do we know each other? And 13th one, je m'appelle Divya, je suis la cousine de Viveka. So here the mistake, that is verb conjugation spelling. See, Appelle. So je m'appelle Divya, myself Divya, and I am the cousin of Viveka. And next, enchanté Divya, je parle 20 français. Here the mistake is a indefinite article only, because per noun it's a masculine noun. For that masculine noun you can use un. So the answer is enchanté Divya, je parle un peu français. So I speak a little bit French. And 15th one, oh bon, quelle surprise. Here the mistake is what? Quelle, that is the spelling of quelle. So surprise is a feminine noun. For that feminine noun you can use a quelle, that is interrogative adjective, right? So how bon, quelle surprise. How good, what a surprise. And 16th one, merci, vous êtes gentil à tout à l'heure. Here the mistake, gentil, it's one of the adjective. It means kind or nice. So here you have to change into feminine form. So the answer, merci, vous êtes gentil à tout à l'heure. You have to change the adjective over here. So this is all about your corriger les faux in this lesson. You have 16 sentences there. I move to the last content. Choisissez la meilleure réponse. Choose the best answer, which is based on your lesson grammar. So what we have seen in your lesson grammar. So first one is say dash première visite en Onde. So here the adjective possessive you have to use mo, ma, me. So mo it is used for the masculine noun, ma it is used for the feminine noun, and me it is used for the plural. So here the noun is what? Feminine noun. For the feminine noun you can use ma. So the answer is what? C'est ma première visite en Onde. So this is my first visit to India. And second one, elle habite dash à Paris. So here you have to use the preposition a. So she lives in Paris. And comment dash vous. So here you have to use the aller verb conjugation is aller. So comment allez-vous. So how are you? And dash je suis Aditya. Here toi means what? Yourself, and moi myself. So what is the answer? Myself. So myself means what? Moi. Moi je suis Aditya. And myself I am Aditya. And fifth one, tu dash bien. Here you have to use the aller verb conjugation. Tu as bien. So or you fine. It means or you fine. So you can use the aller verb conjugation. And next, say dash ami d'enfance. Here you have to use the indefinite article. So when it is used for the feminine and I it is used for the masculine. Here the noun is a masculine noun. For that you can use un ami d'enfance. And seventh one, I'll fait dash exercise. An exercise. Here exercise it's a noun, masculine noun, exceptional noun. So she is doing a exercise. And eighth one, je m'appelle Malcolm et dash monsieur. Myself Malcolm, and you sir. And you in French word vous. So that you can use that vous. And ninth one, mon cheval vous et dash passport. So my dear pal, that is your passport. So your you can use ton. So mo means what? My, and ton means what? Your. So that you can use the ton adjective possessive. And 10th one, moi je dash parisien. Parisien means what? Those who are lived in Paris, they are called what? Parisien. So that you can use the adverb conjugation, that is suis. So moi je suis parisien. So myself I am a Parisian. So this is all about your third content, that is choisissez la meilleure réponse grammar part. So what are the grammar part which we have seen here? One is adjective possessive, this is preposition, and this is aller verb conjugation, and this is pronoun tonic, and this is also aller verb conjugation, and this is indefinite article. Again this is also indefinite article, and this is pronoun tonic, and this is adjective possessive, and this is adverb conjugation. So you know. And this is all about our today's video content. What is our today's video content? Répondez des questions, answer the following, corrigez les faux, correct the mistakes, choisissez la meilleure réponse, choose the best answer which is based on your lesson grammar. And this is all about like question objective, that is objective type question. I have and you have two videos which is based on your like question objective. If you have any doubt, please refer this video again for your reference. And merci, thank you to all.